Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to turn off auto download images, videos and documents on your WhatsApp. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to turn off automatic download your WhatsApp media in your Android, then I'll show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open your WhatsApp. After opening the WhatsApp, you have to just click on this three dot, then click on settings. You have to just scroll down. Here you will find storage and data. Tap on this. In this you can see media auto download. When using mobile data, just tap on this. You have to uncheck all these options, then click on OK. And when using Wi-Fi, you have to uncheck all these options. Already I have untick. And when roaming, here you will find all these options. Just you have to untick, then click on OK. That's it guys. So in this way you can stop auto download photos, videos and documents in your WhatsApp.